Ryan here, Silly Reviews. Got a mechanic tip for you, mechanic hack. So you want to know the easiest, or how to make it the easiest fuel pump replacement in your vehicle. Got this sweet minivan here, and I'm always worried about things going wrong, and I just watched a video with some mechanic tips, and he was talking about the fuel pump going out. So that's what I'll constantly be thinking about, because I obsess about the worst. And I was thinking to myself, hey, when you get a fuel pump replaced, isn't it always the story where your fuel tank is filled? Like you just spent $300 to fill up your tank, or however much gas costs nowadays. Thanks, Biden. So that can be a real pain. You might lose a lot of money in gas. It's harder for the mechanic or yourself. You have to empty all that gas. The gas tank is going to be heavy as a mug. So here's an idea to make that fuel pump replacement easier. Just get a little bit of gas and go where you're going. Then get a little bit more gas and get where you're going. And then you need to go somewhere else, just get a little bit of gas. Get $2 here, $3 there. That way, if your fuel pump goes out, you won't have a full tank of, like, this holds 20 gallons of gas. How much does 20 gallons of a liquid weigh? Probably a lot. So you can thank me in the comments, hit the super thank, leave your own comment if you have ideas like this. I'm sure people want to know. And I appreciate you watching. This is Ryan for Silly Reviews. And don't forget to check out our shop. It's like an online garage sale. And that's at sillyreviews.shop. Thanks for watching.